So we will need 2 tablespoons of flaxseed, 1 tablespoon of clove seed, and then we add 500 ml water. We boil it until it becomes thick, as thick we desire. So this is my avocado and peppermint hair food. I'm going to add 1 spoon of this cream, that way it won't get white on my hair. Also it can really soak your hair. You can keep it up to 3 days on your hair if you want to. For me, I keep it after a week. After I remove my styled hair, I'm going to style my hair with this. After that, I can still keep it my hair. I twist it, I keep it my hair. It's still soft and shiny and it won't get white. As I say, if you use flaxseed just like that, sometimes it get whiter, but you can use for the day or the next day to wash it off. Everybody know flaxseed gel we used to use when we was going to school in the past. All natural, you don't have to worry about I have to wash it out, I can go to sleep with this, because when you use chemical processed gel, preservative and everything, you have to wash it out before you go to bed. I'm not going to bed without washing if I use gel, normal gel. So I often use this one or aloe vera gel. When I use these 2 gel, I can go to sleep without worrying my hair will get damaged or anything, because it's all natural and I know what's inside, so it wouldn't be a problem. This one it hold like all day long, even next day it's still there. But when you remain this gel, make sure you keep it in the fridge, because you can keep it in the fridge up to like 5 days, because it doesn't have any preservative or anything, and you don't want that smelly flaxseed, because flaxseed when it get broke it smells really bad. So make sure you keep it in the fridge. However, when you keep it in the fridge, the cream we just put it is going to be kind of thicken up. So when you use again after you put it in the fridge, make sure you put it in hot water, the pot, to hot it up so it can melt it, the oil we put inside. I'm gonna keep this one in the fridge, and if I use next day, I'm going to be using for my girl to style every morning when they go to school, just to lay down the edges. So I just put in hot water and then hot it up. This is how it look like. I kept the scalp for 20 minutes and then voila. Thank you for watching. If you think this video was helpful, please don't forget to give the thumb up and subscribe to my channel so you're never going to miss any video coming.